Let's see if I can get some effects. So let's get this. Wait a second, I shouldn't have done that. So we have that. Okay. Oops. Rock and a village. Punch attack. Grass. Oh, look at this. Wait, 4. Potion. Wheat. Okay, let's have this. +1. So you have this potion, I have combos. I can't use this anymore. Another punch attack. All right. Finally, I have this one. Enemy health, enemy weak. Oh, this is gonna make me fast. There we go. Oh, I have too many cards. Third -2. Oh, that's going to make me super powerful. Third -1. First -2. Oh, this is great. I'm gonna be super fast. Okay, 2 slots left. Maybe I can activate this one. So this one activates this one. Alright, let's see. Enemy shield, self-poison. No, that's terrible. Alright, let's see. Self cooldown charge. No, not good. Okay. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna change something. I think it's... Did you notice that I almost always get rid of fusion cards? It's because I... Let's see, effect. I never like the effects that it gives me. So I think that at a minimum it should always have 3 effects. There we go. So it has 3 effects. And the other thing is that this get a random card. Something wrong is here. There's something wrong with this. Okay, card title, rarity, items, item name. Card title, item name. Items quantity, what? What's this? I'm gonna change the name of this. Let's change it to quantity and name. There, so I already have the card title here. Right, should I do it this way? I'm not sure. Name. There. There, fine. Okay. Okay, count 0. That's the index. Right, a card. Okay. I think this works well. And so empty effects card, very common. Very common is 40. So there. Subset total percentage. This sums all the percentages, get the rarity percentage of every single item. Shuffle back list. Okay, shuffle. What's this? This is for lists, and this is for arrays. So this is turned into a shuffle back list. Item rarity shuffled. Name slots. Okay, let's check that. There, let's see. Effects, slot 7. Okay, slave 7 for ruins, cave, common 5. Okay, how much is this? Shuffle back list. Should I say count? Let's do a total. Let's do this count. Add or remove. Okay. Item. Slots. Index. Okay. What? Okay. Index. Target index. Okay. Card assets. What's this shuffle bag? Okay, want to show this inspector and read only. There we go. So this is the shuffle bag I want. What's this? Let's go. Okay, so there are 60 items. Good. 60. Very well. 7 slots. And in total, this should be 60. So I wonder which index is this one. Let's see. Rarity, okay. Item, let's do a index, there. This target index. Let's go. Okay, so the target index is 14. Let's post this 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. Okay, 60 is very little actually. It only appears like 4 times. Let's see. Let's add this. Let's do 200. So this is going to be 200 now. There we go, 200. So now we have 24 slots. Previously I think we had 7, now we have 24. 24 out of 200. That's very little actually. That's a lot. Maybe I should change it so it's 14, right? 14. 1, 2, 3. No. There. It's just too few. No wonder it's very difficult to get these guys. So I'm gonna change the rate. This should be 50. This should be 50. Let's do a 3. Let's do 7. rarity. So it's 80. I should change this. Common, rare. So I have 10, 20, 50 there. Let's try that. Shuffled. Confused. Okay. So we have the sleep. These are the effects. These are the cards. 38 slots. 38 out of 200. Not sure. Too many. Now the 200 is too many. Yes, too many. And let's see. I always forget. Get random cards. No, wait. 100. Wait, should I say? I'm gonna change this here. Private int cards shuffle bag size. Let's do 100. There. Let's change the name. Cards indexes shuffle bag size. There we go. Let's make this shorter. And let's try again. $23 common. Whoops. Something wrong. What happened there? Hundreds. Private int. What's the matter with you? I screwed up something. Let's recompile then. Yes, recompile. There we go. Cards indexes. Shuffle bag is empty. There we go. Anyway, so we have 14, 19 slot out of 100. 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. Wait, this is like, I'm seeing too many nines. Let's see, 12 common, 12 common, 12 common, common. Maybe it's too many. Should I say this is 20 and this is 60? $60, $20, there. That should be it. $14. Oh, right. 14, 14, 14, 14, 14. Yikes. Okay, so. Okay. Yes, I guess this is better. Let's test it. With an iron source. Okay. Can I get more? Okay, there. There we go. There, I just need a tree. There we go. Nice job. Oh, look at this. That's a legendary one. There. Punch attack. Let's add a punch attack. Another sword. Oh, there, nice. Self-weak, enemy confuse, cooldown charge, enemy. Oh, this makes it slower. Enemy confuse, -1. Self-weak. Oh, that's self-weak. So this makes them slower. Okay, this adds a thing. I don't have to pick all of them, right? Okay, another legendary one. So I can change this actually. First, -2. No, this self-weak. Third, enemy cooldown. No, I want to increase thirst. So this makes them super slow with this. There. So Can I make you there? Let's do this. Let's add a village there. Can I have so many cards? There are ruins and a cave. Let's see, can I have this? There are some ruins. 3 stone. There's stone and grass. Here. Oops. There we go. Oh, too many cards now. Tower. There. What's this? Enemy health. Good. Self health. That's wrong. Self. Okay. Self shield. Self health +1. So this heals me. Alright. Can I have a combo? Okay. Let's get rid of this. I have too many swords. That's good. Okay, so now it's much better, I guess. Cave. Oh, this one. I want that one. Okay, let's just get rid of this. No, I didn't want that. Okay, let's just build something and stone there, and let's get that. Where was it? Okay, this activates another card. One to the right. Okay, you're gonna activate this one. One to the right. So let's self health, self shield, enemy health. Good. And this one, first -2, third -2. Oh no. This was almost good. Okay, I have a new item. Oh, too many cards. Too many cards. Okay, weak cooldown. Okay. So let's change that. Entity being. No, let's do. As long as it's minus, so it's 3. I'm gonna give you 3. Create rewards. That's like too many. Okay, let's just do equals 3. Up to 3 cards. 0, 1, 2, 3 cards. It's like too much. Let's do 2. 2 cards at most. 0, 1. Okay, that should give you 2 cards. Great. And this treasure chest gives you also 1, 0. Let's do this. 0, 1, 2. 2 cards also. You know what? Random value. Why not this? At least 2, right? At least 2. 0, 1, and then maybe 3, sometimes 3. And the same with this. 0, 1, no, sometimes 0, sometimes 1 there. And this also, should I say equals? So it's 2, 0, 1, 2. No, then should be at least 2. So this way it's 2, 0, 1, 2, up to 3. From 1 to 3, okay. So that way I don't get so many cards. And the reward actually should be that many. Okay. That's like too much. Now that I think of it, because this gives rare cards. So 0, 1, and 2. 0, 1, 2. That's too much. So 0 and 1, that's all. Okay, let's write this. Don't give too many cards because they are more rare and higher value. Okay, be right back. Gonna take a coffee. Be right back. So let's see if I get too many cards. I shouldn't be getting too many cards. Let's see. Punch attack. There. Whoop. Okay, 2. Great. Man, the treasure should give me 1, not 2. Okay, let's... There. 0. Okay, we have a tree. I need a stone. A tree. Right. Effect component. Nice. Let's see. Enemy cooldown charge, self shield, enemy health, self weak, self confuse. That makes no sense. Alright, ruins and grass. Let's put the ruins around here. Around here, around here. There we go. Enemy health, shield. Oh, there. -2, 1 second effects. +1. Muscle of blood. 3. Wait. Okay, let's throw it. What is this? Enemy weak, self weak, enemy shield. Enemy weak and self weak. No, thank you. Nice. Village. Okay, let's go here. There. So we get the 3 treasures. Enemy confuse, enemy health, enemy shield. too many things. Wait. Okay, I'm getting more. Nice. Ruins and ruins. Okay, more of this. Oh, but it's too close. Should I include it there? So I have rock, I need grass. Okay, I need a pause button there. Grass, stone. Okay, let's see. Maybe I can get rid of this. I just need there. Oh, this is too close, too close. There. Okay, there we go. Oh, but I need a combo now. Enemy weak, self weak, enemy confused. No. Enemy weak, self confused. No. Shield, enemy health, enemy confused. I don't want to give health. Okay, need a combo. Enemy health, -1. There, let's do this one. Maybe I should add more treasures. Oh, I'm getting killed. Very interesting, very interesting. I think I should add more treasures. Service map customs, treasures quantity, there. Let's add 20 treasures. And rare. Let's do this. Let's delete this guy. So I only get very rare iron, very rare, rare. Legendary, rare. Wait a second, rare. Rare and common. Common. Man, this should this be rare? Very rare and legendary. Okay. How about the combos? These guys are common. This is legendary. Health. Empty. Modify health cards. Iron sword. Very rare. Potion. Rare. Man, why are the grass... This is actually really rare. Rare, 10%. Okay. Zero one, 01. Okay, so sometimes it gives you two cards. Maybe it's too much now. Okay. It's like too much. Maybe it's too much. Okay, well, I'll be right back. When I come back, I'm gonna test. Maybe it's too many cards. Maybe I shouldn't restrict the cards that match. There, I'll be right back. Okay. There. Can I play? What's the matter? I can't click. Nothing's working. I had it paused. Okay, many more treasures. Nice. Iron swords. Okay. So let's change something. Let's change this. Let's just punch attack, tower, cave and ruins. There we go. So you start with all these cards. There, ruins tower, punch attack, and wood swords. Tower, ruins, cave. So let's see these ruins. Go like that. Oh. Let's see. Can I build it around here? So this is a tree. I need a tree there. All right. I have two of these. Nice. A sword, a rock. Now I think it gives me. I mean, I only have one legendary and one very rare weapon. So I think it gives me, each time I open a chest, it gives me one of two cards. Oh man, I need more cards. I need even more cards. Throw the rock. There. Let's see. Can I this? All right. Now we need effects. Oh, there we go. Grass and tower. Do I have more? There we go. Okay, so let's see. Oops. Enter close combat. This Self-confused, so this cancels. Alright, this is nice. Grab the ruins. Grab this. This is good. Okay, so this is faster actually. So let's see, cooldown charge. This makes me faster. Sleep +2. So this cancels self-weak. Alright, this makes me faster. But I need a combo to activate it. I don't have a combo. Let's change this. Another one of these. Another one of these. What? Wheat. Throwable rock. Tree. There. Enemy cooldown makes him slower. Enemy confuse. Okay, interesting. Man, this game is just too basic at this moment. I mean, the systems are there, but I just need more, right? More cards. It feels too much like a prototype. Let's see, self-health, enemy health, no. Enemy cooldown charge. Enemy cooldown charge. Self-sleep, no, this is useless. Self-sleep. Weak, minus self cooldown charge, -3. So there are no enemies that makes me weak. That make me weak. There. With this, I can activate one card to the left. Let's see if I can do this. There. I just need a cool effect now. Actually, I also need to do this. No. So the ruins require a tree and stone and grass. Okay, never mind. This is wheat and stone. No. Wheat and stone and a tree. Let's see, wheat, stone and tree. Oh, there. There, let's see. A cave. No, thank you. There, let's see. Self poison, enemy poison. So this poisons me. Let's just take this so I can get rid of them. Okay, I heard a new open, a treasure opened. Let's build that there. Let's see. Oh, that has to be powerful. Self sleep, enemy sleep. So with this, I apply sleep. Let's try that. So this activates this one. Oh no, oh, I made mistake. Come on, just give me a combo. Oh, I died. So the problem is that, what's the problem here? I wanted a combo. And do I really need a pause button? Well, the thing is that the pause button okay, the thing I like of not having a pause button is that time passes and new cards get dropped. That's good. So when the cards get dropped, I can choose. I have much more choices. That's good. I don't need to pick all the cards, and I don't need to hurry. I don't need to hurry, which is good. And I also think that I'm not sure if I should make the the player hurry up, you know. There. I was getting too annoyed by the light, yes. Maybe a little bit less. Yes, I was getting too annoyed. It's like I couldn't even play from this angle. Let's see the color. Okay, what else should I do? Maybe I should change the main light, make it a little bit more warm. Okay. less intense. There. So what else? What else? I really wanted a combo card. In the end, it wasn't so common. Wait a second. Item components creator. Card prefab. So this gets a random component. Positive. Create combo components. Oh, look at this, very common and common. So this is a charge which is very common, and this is less common. Should be the opposite, right? Let's change. So you are let's make you less common, like that. There. Enemy, sleep shield, weak, very common. Weak effect, poison, confuse, cooldown charge. Yep, that felt very common. Very common. Very common. Very common. Cooldown charge. No, just you should be common. Not very common. Common there. Cooldown charge. Cooldown charge. Very common. Confuse. Okay. So I think I need more cards. Let's see. The other problem is that I just couldn't activate items, new items I had. I need to get more effect cards. Yes. The mini cards are rewards. Yes, that's a problem. Okay. The other thing is, should I really add a pause button? Okay, let's write the ideas. Let's change this. There. Wait a second. There. Whoop. I felt that let's get rid of this. Alright. Whoop. Alright, let's do this. No, my friend. Something's wrong with this. Anyway. So 99, where is 100? There. Effects collider. Effects collider. Oh, X slash. Anyway, I felt that let's change this. After playing the game, it felt too much like a prototype. I think I had too few choices. I wanted more cards to play with. That's the main problem. When I got an item card, I could not use it because it never activated, and this could be solved with combo cards, but I never got those. Yeah, that's the main thing. Let's separate this. So these are three problems. I also could not see what was happening because I was busy searching the map to find a place to build a building, and also choosing which cards to take. this could be solved with a pause button. So I can pause the hero from getting into combat while I choose and explore the map and think what to do with my cards. Yes. Yeah, besides, almost all games have of this type have a pause button or don't need one. Well, maybe I could add more attack cards with more effects, not just attack. Like poison, weak, confuse, etc. I also could make the items more common, but this creates a new problem. How can I activate the items if I don't have a card that adds that component? I need component cards. I need to activate the card by using a combo card or an activation trigger component card. Okay, so I need a combo card. Yes, I need that. It's like adding an obstacle to be able to use it. The thing I achieve with this is create an obstacle to be able to use the item. And thus make the hero more powerful. But the way I achieve this is to make this dependent on luck, because you have to get lucky enough to get either a combo card or a trigger component card. Yeah, that sucks a bit. That sucks. But maybe with this change I just did, to make the combos triggers more. I mean the combo, this combos more common. Now this is very common. So I can make the combo cards appear more often to solve this. So yes, I made the combo cards appear more often. Okay. So I really need that thing. I really need a fusion card that adds the trigger to the card, or I could add I also could add a card that gets activated with different events, but does nothing. But why use this if I can have an item that has effects and can have a trigger event? Yes. So I already have the capability of having items that get activated in different ways. But if I have an item that can have a trigger, why use the combo? But if I have a card that has a trigger event, why use the combo? Yes, I should use the combo because it creates a sequence or a specific sequence of events. But if an event triggers many cards, it automatically creates a sequence of triggers in the activation queue. Yes, that's a problem. I have the combos to create a manual sequence of activations. But if I have many cards with the same trigger type, then the system automatically puts them in the queue and it creates a sequence. So that sucks. That's terrible. That's a problem I need to fix. Why use the combo if I have events? I don't know. So the combo is nice because it should like power. It should like power up the card it activates. But if I have a trigger, it acts by itself. There is no relationship between cards. Oh. The combo should create an interaction between cards, not just activate them, but allow some sort of communication between them. So one card could yeah, it should do that. For example, one card could activate another with a combo, and when doing that, mix the values of its effects. So, example, if one card has self-health +1 and deactivated by combo and it activates another one with a combo, and that other card has health -1, it could do +1 -1 equals 0. So that's interesting, isn't it? So it converts the other card to have more positive effects. Example, card 1 has, let's do health -1. Combo card has health +2. minus 1 plus 2 equals 0 plus 1. Wait. Has health. I mean, let's do enemy. Combat card has self. What's the result? Self. So I should self plus 1. So it changes the combat card. Self health, self plus 1. It reduces the health. Reducing the health received. Okay, that's just one idea. It activates and changes the effects. That's one thing. A card, and that's one option. No, so this is the other. Empowers makes the effects more powerful, more beneficial. So if the card is harmful to the hero, it makes it less harmful, and if it's beneficial, it makes it more beneficial. What can I do? Let's see. Example. Card A activates card B. A has it's my combo. A has health plus 1. B is do enemy. B has health, or let's say poison self plus 2. So so let's say poison self plus 2 result equals poison self plus 1. because it uses a plus a1 value to reduce the poison effect. Even if it's not matter its sign. If it's negative or positive. So that's a bit weird. Poison self 1. So that's one possibility. Okay, just an idea. Let's try. Let's see how it goes with this change. Okay. Does it look better? Yes, I think it does. Okay, 2 stones. Okay, the other problem is that, let's change this. 1, 2. No, I have too few cards for each rarity type. Only 1 legendary, 1, 2 very rare. So when I open a treasure chest, I get too many powerful cards too often. That's a problem. What? He's chasing me. Take that. So I have a rock. There we go. Ruins. Stone. There. Oh, I heard something. Another. Okay. That's like too many. Let's see if I can build one of that. No, I can't. Okay. All right. Enemy weak. Self health. Enemy confused. That's too much. It's another iron sword. Cooldown. Ruins. Stone. Stone tree. Not there. There. Okay. Okay, the treasure should give. There we go. No, that's not what I wanted. Art charge. Again. Okay, I need to change the treasure. Okay, just give me any type. I don't care. Just give me any card. Get random cards. There, I don't care. No, this is ridiculous, man. Okay. So you change one thing and everything else changes. There. There, iron swords. The rock. That's cool. Enemy confused. Self cooldown charge +2. Self confuse. Enemy weak. That's good. Okay, let's use that. I'm a bit slower, but alright, 2 effects. Let's use. Oh man, I almost dead. There. So enemy shield, self confuse, self health, enemy confuse. That's good. Add charge +2 to second effect. Self weak, enemy confuse, enemy poison. Alright, enemy confuse, self poison. tree. I'm dead. Thank you very much. So I think I should give you more. Combo cards. Where is the hero? Max health. Let's give you 4,000. Let's try again. There. Cave. Okay, let's build it there. Ruins. Oh, I heard something. Let's see. Yikes. Oh. There we go. Okay, I have a stone. I have another potion. Good. I like that. Nice. Enemy confused. Nice. Self shield -3. Self confused. I don't like this. So let's build a tower. This one uses stone, wheat, and tree. Stone, wheat, and tree. I can plant a stone there. So it's much easier. Very good. Alright, let's see. Self weak, -3. Enemy health. No, thank you. Poison +1. No. Ruins. Oh, look at that. So this is stone, stone, and grass. There, village. Let's get to village. Oh, there. Next to the treasure. Enemy health -1. Self potion +2. Enemy health +1. Self potion. No, that's terrible. Enemy shield. I don't want to poison myself. Activate card. Alright. One card slot left. Okay, so I can have this. And with this I can activate a card to the left. Let's use this one. 7 seconds. That's crazy. I should increase the cooldown. Let's check this. Where else can I build it? Let's try to build it close to this. So stone and grass. Stone and grass. There, so I can build a tree there. There we go. Okay, I'm at half health. So enemy poison +1, self poison +1, self weak. This is very useless. Very useless. I don't know why that happens. Oh look, I'm almost dead. So day 6. A punch attack. Alright, let's get this. Let's see, self-health, enemy, confuse, self-health. Alright, so with this I can get health. I can get cured. What's this? Self-weak, -1, self, cooldown. Alright, let's add this. So with this I can poison the enemy. Self-health, enemy weak, enemy poison. That's really good. So I could activate this one, but I'm going to die very soon. Goodbye, cruel world. I'm dead. I'm so dead. Okay, but things are getting better, I think. The game is getting better little by little. What a thing. Let's increase this to 5,000. I mean 500. Okay, so I think the combo was good. The problem is that I'm throwing away too many effect cards. So maybe the problem is that the negative effects are really bad. So I have there 2, 3. Let's make this 5. Add 3, add 2. Let's reduce this. So 30 is more common. Actually, should I do it this way? 30. What's this? Shuffle back. One. Common. 3. 4. Only 5. 10. So this number doesn't really matter, I think. Effect. False. This is like maybe should I say that get a random effect? Maybe I could do that if it's no, let's try something. No negative effects. There, no negative effects. Let's try that. But I'll be right back. Let's try. So now I won't have to think of trade-offs. Well, thinking about decision making and doing trade-offs is interesting. I wish I could keep it somehow, but in practice I just always choose not to have any type of negative effect. So I think that a trade-off would work fine if I had lots of numbers. I mean big numbers or bigger numbers and even more status, you know. Status tower. Status effects, not status effects, more like stats, you know, numbers, more numbers. So let's try to build this, and this is a there. This is the harder one. All right, 3, another tower. Enemy health -1, self-confuse -1. That's good, but it's not great. So I'm gonna. So now it's about thinking if it's good enough, because this is a scarce resource. So if I use this on this, I can't use it again. So I really need to think carefully about the decision. There. Cave, I want a cave. I want some. There. Activate another card to the left. So I could use this one here. Let's see. Oh, too close. Can I? No. Let's see. Can I build it there? Yes. Okay, maybe I don't want more enemies. Cards. More cards. Okay. Enemy sleep, great. Self weak, enemy health, that's really good. That's really good actually. Enemy health, self confuse, not good enough. Hey, play balance. It's about balancing play. That's what I meant to say. I need to balance how the play goes. So another way to say it is gameplay balance. That's what I meant to say. Ruins. Let's see. Do I have? No, I don't have. So I want to build there. There. I need a rock. Never mind. So let's build it. No, let's say that's enough. Let's throw this. Okay, let's see. Enemy poison, enemy shield. Enemy poison. I want to poison and remove the shield. Self cooldown, enemy weak. So this is great. Let's see. Let's apply this here. And this one, let's activate this. This will activate this one. Activate cards. Great. Activate card to the right. Let's see. Alright. Where are you, hero? I want to see you fight. There he is. Okay. There one slot left. Okay. Okay, this should activate this one. What's going on? Activate target card. Other card, one slot left. Okay, what's going on? Okay, I have this one slot right, one slot left. So this one will activate this card. Let's see. Enemy poison, enemy shield. Not good enough. Enemy cooldown charge, self-confuse, enemy poison, enemy confuse. This is good. Let's use this. So why is this isn't working? Why? One left. Let's move this here. Not working for some reason. So that's a lot of cards. There we go. Finally, so there. There he goes. So this one activates this one, and this one activates that one. So there. Wow, I'm a killing machine now. There, I'm a bit overwhelmed because those are too many cards. Maybe I should make him disappear. There, he's sleeping. There, and he got poisoned. There we go, I'm really powerful now. Man, I wish I could see the health at all times. Let's add that. Make hero health visible at its portrait. Important. Keep it up. Come on. Let's. There. So I am almost dead. There. I'm killing like crazy. Oh, look at that. That's a good one. So, second -3. Self-confused -3. Or I could do self-weak -3. Nah. Or this one, self-cooldown. Oh, this is going to be super powerful. Now I'm going to be super fast. Okay, so that's really fun, I guess. That's really fun. There, go fast, kill. There, he's a killing machine. There we go. Oof, yes, kill them all. Nice. Alright, I'm happy. I'm actually very happy. So I have this item. So I should make this disappear because there are too many. Oof, look at those. So let's see. Let's make the card disappear after like 1 minute. Animation start. One click on point. Where should I? Play sound. Animate start. So this makes it rotate. Okay, let's add. Let's do a private void create destruction twin. So with this, it will create the twin to destroy itself. And let's add this private twin destruction twin. So this is a twin. How was it called? To virtual delayed call. There, should it be that? No, you know what? This is a sequence. No, it's not a sequence. Yes, it's a sequence. And this is a destruction sequence. So let's do this. Sequence. So this is a do twin, right? Sequence, like that. So this is append interval. So this is a second. Let's say 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Let's try with this. There, append callback. No. How should I do it? Append. Should I? What's this? No. let's search for the material. Mini cars. Now where was this? So it should be inside cars. Mini car template. So canvas, model, cube, canvas. So I should get the material. Let's get this guy here so it appears and disappears. Material. Model material. Actually, what's the best way to do this? I don't know. In Unity 6, using do twin, how can I make a game object, a 3D game object, flash on and off for 2 seconds before it is destroyed. Okay, just let's do there, mesh renderer. Okay, mesh renderer. Let's do it that way. Right, mesh renderer or material? Let's see. No. Let's go to material, to color. What's this? Oh, this changes the parameter, the property I mean. Color to fade. Alpha. But only if the material supports alpha. Does the material support alpha? Unlit world space shader. Let's see. Do you support alpha? So transparent. Alpha. It seems it does, right? I think it does. So let's get this flash interval there, enabled. Okay, that's how it's done, and it does many times. Okay, let's do this. Flash duration. Destruction sequence. Zero 0.2 f. So I have the material. Now let's just do an append. What? Append there. Do material alpha faith. Do faith. And value 0. Zero 0.1 f. Wait, and then make it turn on 1. Flash count equals 4. Ten. Let's go. So this creates the destruction, I mean the flash, and then after this it gets destroyed. Yes. June. I should do it like this. So in the end it goes back and it's destroyed. Destroy. There's set link, just in case. Set link. Game object. ID. Set ID. Int ID. Object ID. ID 20D possible. Let's do an int. There we go. Append interval, create destruction twin. So this destroys the guy. The other thing I can do is that when it gets clicked, animate start, animate click. Okay, complete. Let's do this. Kill the twin. That's it. So here I can do on kill. Let's do delegate. No. There we go. Okay, so when you click it, the destruction sequence is killed. That's all I need. Let's try to fix this on pointer click, because So we have the mini card, right? Wait, we have this. So this mini card creates the script. Mini card script, mini card prefab, create mini card prefab. So this updates this thing, mini card prefab, there, animate start, title, on pointer enter, show card full size. So what's this? Instantiate card template. Full size card. Okay. Okay. Local rotation, new position. So this instantiates the card template, that is a card prefab. So let's see. When, oh, wait a second. So when this gets clicked, when click, there, add to player deck. Create new card prefab. Okay. Using the card. So the problem is that if it's created, it will run this, and when this runs, this will run too, because this is, if this is an item component card, this will get visited and so on. So what should I do? It shouldn't run twice, right? It shouldn't run twice. So that's the, when it enters, I show there full size cards. Every time it enters, it creates the full size card, and when it exits, the full size card is destroyed. So okay, so card. Okay, so the problem is with the component. Mini card prefab. Okay, so what should I do? What a problem. What a problem. So when this is created, I create a card template. So this should be created from the beginning, and I shouldn't be creating new card templates all the time. So let's see, instead of destroying the full-size cars, I should just be disabling it. Right, set na set game object dot set active false. There. So let's do this. If this is null, then let's do a show card full size. Show, one thing is show, another thing is create. So else set active true. There, so there you're shown. So let's separate this mini card screen position. Let's separate show and create. So let's do this private void create card full size. So this is for creation. Card creator, there. Why is set card enabled? False. Oh, because it's disabled. It shouldn't be able to receive clicks and so on. So this is main canvas, plane distance, transform position, world to screen. Okay, screen. So this should be show. Okay. This should be there. Full size, set parent, main canvas. Let's place it there. There, let's close it, position it in the screen. So it's depending on the position of the screen. There. This is just for show. There. Show card full size. What? Oh. No, wait. What? There. Show card full size. Let's do a that. There. So this is create. If it's null, no, if it's not null, if it's null, create. Create card full size. There. So it's never destroyed. On pointer enter, on pointer exit. So let's see, when this is destroyed, actually mini card, this gets destroyed. So what happens with full size card? This is the reference for this card. Let's do an on destroy, destroy, destroy full size card. Yes. So there I need to get a public full size cards, card prefab, get full size. Let's do card full size. There, return full size card. There we go. So when this gets clicked, show, right? Yes. Okay, so when this gets clicked, animate click, animate click, one click. So there, add to player deck. So that's what I don't want. Create new. No. There. So that was previously. Oh, I forgot to unmute myself. Anyway, I need to get something to eat. Thanks for coming.